quality, uncompromising and unchanging. This is the proud motto of Miller Brewing Company, the second largest brewer in the world. The West Coast home of Miller Brewing is located in Irwindale, California, just east of Los Angeles. More than 300,000 cases of beer in 13 brands are brewed and shipped every day to over 100 distributors in 9 states and 20 countries. Wonderware's InTouch software is helping Miller Brewing Company to view and control exactly what's happening in some of its brewing and bottling operations.
Wonderware has become a standard interface for our programmable controllers corporate-wide. It was initially bought by corporate engineering on projects, and it's now worked its way into all the plants, and it's used now exclusively.
In the brew house, ground corn is added to water and boiled into a mash and then mixed with malted barley. The cooked mash then goes into gigantic copper lauter tons where the liquid is separated from the grain. In the brewing control room, InTouch screens on the main control panel give the Miller operator an up-to-the-minute status of the mixers, cookers, kettles, and lauter ton operations. InTouch graphically displays the flow rate of the beer and the temperature and pressure for the boilers. This InTouch screen indicates if the heavy bed of grain in the lauter ton is clogged and if the rakes inside need to be raised or lowered to loosen up the bed. In the cold surface control room at Miller Brewing Company, InTouch is also hard at work monitoring the filtration and fermenting process. InTouch screens display the status of every aging tank so operators can make corrections for air, carbon dioxide, bitterness, and alcohol levels within each tank. Miller Brewing Company also chose Wonderware for use on its filler lines. The filler status overview screen informs the operator where and why the filler line has stopped. This filler maintenance screen displays setup for the line, and this level control screen monitors fill levels. Inside the main bottling and packaging plant, operators on 5 busy palletizer lines rely on Wonderware InTouch for information on the case counts and case patterns being assembled. In the palletizer area, Wonderware is communicating to a Modicon PLC to monitor and control all discrete and analog signals.
Wonderware, we believe, will be a strong part of the future, where as new packers come in, the controllers will be front-ended with touch screens that are running Wonderware. I know that any fillers we put in or upgrade from here on in will have Wonderware running the electronic bowl level control. I believe we'll see more and more of it as time goes on.
It looks like Wonderware is going to be part of the Miller Brewing Company process from now on. So when Miller Genuine Draft or Miller Lite goes off to beer drinkers around the world, there's a little bit of Wonderware in every bottle or can.